What's up, guys? With 2023 officially here, we now have the 2023 Harley-Davidson lineup standing right here in front of me. So let's get a nice little sneak peek of this, shall we? So starting us out, the first one we have here is this Road Glide Special coming in with the industrial yellow, red pinstriping, and black. I like to call this the Bumblebee Road Glide. I think it looks pretty interesting. The yellow, it looks very different than what it does online. I'm actually quite interested in this. It looks a little bit more muted than it does online. Online, it looks a lot more vibrant of a yellow. Here, it's looking a little bit more of a butter yellow. The other colors that are going to be happening during this time are going to be the entire blacked out engine case and blacked out display. Within here, everything else is going to be pretty much the same as any other Road Glide Special, but this color is very interesting. Now let's go ahead and hop on the bike right behind me and talk about the next color. Next here, we also got this Road Glide Special, but is in now this orange, which really does remind me of the older Road Glides and CVOs that they used to have, especially in a previous video, which I recently did, which I think is going to be right up in this corner, right up here for you guys to see. So it really reminds me of that CVO orange and that Screaming Eagle orange, but this one comes in the nice chrome. I actually really like the contrast between the orange, the black, and the chrome. It really does give off that Harley-Davidson feel. The orange is very industrial, very Harley-Davidson, and it looks like a really good contrast. Other things with these Road Glides here, both of these are the 114s because they are the specials, and I think Harley is officially going away with the 107s except for one bike, I think only has that, and that is the Softail Standard. That is the only one that I believe still has the 107. And so with this 2023 year, I know a major controversy is this yellow. A lot of people aren't really sure how to feel about this industrial yellow and this very heavy forward butter and mustard yellow coming to the factory color scheme. And in person, I feel better about seeing this yellow in person than I did online, but I'm still not 100% sold on this specific yellow. Maybe that will change with other bikes. In my personal opinion, I think this color scheme is the best yellow there is for the bikes because of the contrast you have. It definitely diminishes the overall brightness of the yellow onto your eyes, and especially with the red line here, I think it really does help and make it more appealing to the eye. I also really love this orange over here. I think these are good colors. I'm just still not, for me personally, 100% sold on this yellow. If this is all you, then you are more than welcome to give it. So a huge shout out to Black Bear Harley-Davidson. Thank you for allowing me to come out here and film these videos. Huge shout out. Make sure you come and check them out. They have 2023 models already coming in, so make sure you go and check them out. Make sure you tell them Fat Boy Bob sent you, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.